Good afternoon everyone, hope that you're all keeping well. Grant here from Harvey Bowes, back with another monthly update on the GCC group. Hope you're all keeping well and that you're enjoying your week so far. So, two things from us this month I think are going to be really useful for those living abroad that are investing inside the UK. The first thing is that we've come across a lot more lenders that are willing to offer you up to 100% of your purchase price if the deal makes sense to do so. Now the beauty of this is that if you've got a deal that includes things like title splits, lease extensions, or both of those, and also a small refurb, two of our lenders will now give you up to 100% of your purchase price, meaning that as long as the GDV makes sense, the deals can make a lot more sense. So if you do have something along those lines, please feel free to reach out to us so that we can explore how that will work for you and how you can make that reality. Obviously, the less money that you have to put in for yourself, the more investing and onward investing that you can look to do as well. Now, the second thing is all about interest rates. And as you know, interest rates have been a struggle. They have been a real challenge in the last 6 or 7 months. But lenders are now slowly starting to find ways to make things more amenable to you, but also easier to digest. So, a really good example of this is Octopus Real Estate. Now, they're a fantastic lender if you're looking to lend anything from 50 grand loan upwards. But in particular, if you're a foreign national or you're an expat investing in the UK via a UK limited company, may even be able to do it in your personal names, they will now allow you to defer up to 1% of the annual interest so that it makes the deal cash flow significantly better. Now, what I've done is I've included a separate quote on this screen that you should be able to see at the moment. Now, what this will outline is a standard set of terms versus a deferred interest term. Now, what you'll notice, based on the example that we've given, so 125 grand purchase price and a rental income of 650. Now, that may or may not be attainable where you are, but this is a great way to give a good impression on how this works. You'll see that on the standard terms, they look to be 6.99% as your annual interest rate. But when you defer the interest, so you're essentially off-putting 1% of that, you then get an annual interest rate of 5.99% with that optional, the option to move that 1% to the back end. So you would have an exit fee, but you would have smaller monthly payments, giving you better cash flow. So you can see the difference between these two deals here. With the deferred interest payment, you're looking at paying around £430 on this type of interest and this type of deal. If you were to go at the full fat, 6.99, you're looking at the deal itself being over £500 a month. So all of a sudden, those marginal gains can give you that extra cash flow that can make a big difference in those deals that you're looking to explore. Now, it may well be up to this point that an interest rate of 6.99% just blew a deal out of the water, but it doesn't have to anymore. Now you've got these options. And that isn't the only option. There's plenty of lenders that are lending to expats and to foreign nationals, people that are investing in the UK. So things are really opening up and starting to get exciting again. So I hope you found that interesting. If you've got any specific questions about the 100% financing or about the deferred interest rate products, then please drop us a message and we'll be glad to help you out. So until May, enjoy the rest of your week and I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care.